Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I'm in the MX240 with the disc. I'm disking up this 80-acre field behind the house, behind the farmstead. I'm only gonna disc until Dad comes back with the Harrow from the other farm, and then we'll hook up the 7130 to the Harrow. Dad will get in this tractor and continue disking, then I'll start harrowing behind him. Alright, Dad's gonna take over for me in the disc and I'm gonna go harrow. I'm back in the 7130 harrowing. Okay guys, it says I have 51 acres done. I've got 34 left to go. So it says I am 61% done. So we're chugging along pretty good. It's working well, it's smoothing the ground out nicely. There's Dad disking right there. I'm probably gonna have to stop soon because I'm catching up to him. Well, I caught up to Dad, so I'm probably going to have to stop now. Just have to wait for him to get ahead of me a little bit. I've only got 18 acres left, but now I'm just still waiting on Dad, just to let him get ahead of me a little bit. to support the wings so they don't bend back or anything. And this one came loose. I guess the chain came off of its little hook thing. So I just gotta put it back in. Or maybe I won't put it back in because it doesn't line up. People have to bend it around. I think it's working. Okay, this might call for a time lapse because I'm gonna have to bend it around a lot. Well, I got it fixed, but not really fixed. It'll hold together until I'm done. But that little, I'm not sure what the right term for it, I guess some kind of clip or something. You twist it to pull it together. Well, it's pretty just flattened out. The threads are worn down because of this thing flopping up and down. So I just twisted it, gummed it together to hold it together for now, but probably gonna have to fix it later. Alright guys, so I was going to end the video, but I'm not going to since Dad's going to drill wheat tomorrow. I'll get some more footage of that and I'll put it in this video. Alright guys, so it's the next day and Dad is drilling wheat. I got the drone and I got my GoPro, so I'm just going to get some footage and I'll throw it in this video for you guys to watch. Now we gotta go fill up the seed drill again. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.